To open a custodial account in Robinhood, start by logging into your Robinhood account and navigating to the account settings page. From there, select the option to add a new account and choose the custodial account type. You will need to provide the required information, including the miner's name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, you will need to fund the account, which can be done by transferring money from your existing Robinhood account or by linking an external bank account. Once the account is funded, you can begin investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and options. It is essential to understand that a custodial account is a type of account that is held in the name of a minor, but is controlled by an adult, known as the custodian, until the minor reaches the age of majority. As the custodian, you will have full control over the account and will be responsible for making investment decisions. When opening a custodial account, it is crucial to consider the tax implications, as the account will be subject to taxes on any investment gains. You should also consider consulting with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for the account. To get started, go to the Robinhood website or mobile app and follow the prompts to add a new account. You will need to provide the required information and verify your identity. Once the account is open, you can begin investing and managing the account on behalf of the miner. It is also important to note that custodial accounts are subject to certain rules and regulations, such as the Uniform Transfers to Minors Act, which governs the management and distribution of assets in the account. As the custodian, it is your responsibility to comply with these rules and regulations. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can easily open a custodial account in Robinhood and start investing for the benefit of a minor.